Hi students, welcome to the PYQ discussions of the chapter Indefinite Integration. Okay, so in this video, we'll be discussing all the questions from 2024 and 2025 from this chapter exclusively. And all the questions and their concepts and theories will be discussed along with that. Also, some shortcuts will also be provided. Okay, so let's start. Our very first question from the 2025 itself. Okay, the question is like limit integral e raised to x into x sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square plus sine inverse of x by 1 minus x square the whole raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 1 minus x square dx is equal to g of x plus c. Okay, where c is the constant of integration, then you need to find the value of g of 1 by 2. So how are you going to formulate the value of g of 1 by 2? Let's check it out. See, this is like see, e raised to x is there, right? Therefore, there is a formula like this, that is integral e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x the dx. Okay, and that is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c, right? E raised to x into f of x plus c. Okay. So, as there is an e raised to x here, see, three functions are there, right? Okay, and let's go for this one, that is x sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square. Okay, what is the derivative of that? That is d by dx of, what is d by dx of x sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square. Okay, you need to apply product rule and quotient rule here. Therefore, it will be root 1 minus x square into, what is the derivative of this one? X into 1 by root 1 minus x square plus, okay, sine inverse of x into 1, okay, and minus of x sine inverse of x into derivative of root 1 minus x square, that will be 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into minus 2x. It will be like this, and divided by root of 1 minus x square the whole square, that is 1 minus x square itself. Okay, we need to move to the next slide. Okay, there is no space here, that's why. And if you multiply this, it will be root 1 minus x square, and this will be cancelled. This will be x and plus root 1 minus x square into sine x. Okay, so we can split the 1 minus x square. That is, this will be root 1 minus x square, and this root 1 minus x square will get cancelled, and remaining will be x by 1 minus x square. Therefore, we can write this here, x by 1 minus x square, okay, and this will be root 1 minus x square into sine inverse of x divided by 1 minus x square, that will be sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square, okay, that will be plus sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square, and okay, see, this 2 and this 2 got cancelled, and this becomes minus into minus becomes plus, and x square sine inverse of x by root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square, that is, it will be plus x square into sine inverse of x divided by 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. Okay, hope you are getting the idea here. And okay, so yeah, see, multiply here and here with 1 minus x square. Therefore, it will be x by 1 minus x square. Okay, I have multiplied here and here with 1 minus x square, and after simplifying, it will be sine inverse of x divided by 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square, and combined with the powers, it will be 1 minus x square the whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, you got this one, right? If you differentiate this one, you are getting this one. Okay, so it will be e raised to x into, this is f of x, and this is what? F dash of x. Okay, this is f of x and this is f dash of x. So what is the result here? E raised to x into f of x, and what is f of x? X into sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square. Okay, therefore it will be e raised to x into sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square, and okay, plus c will be there. Okay, we don't have to bother about c. We don't have to bother about g of x only. Therefore, g of x is equal to this one. Okay, g of x is equal to this one. You need to find the value of g of 1 by 2, right? That is g of 1 by 2 will be e raised to 1 by 2, that is root e, and into 1 by 2 into what is sine inverse 1 by 2? Sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6 divided by what is 1 minus 1 by 4? That is root 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, this 2 and 2 got cancelled. It will be pi by 6 into root of e by 3 is the final cut answer. Okay, very easy question and a regular PYQ question. Okay, and the correct answer is, yeah, second one is the correct answer. Okay, hope you got the idea here. We can move to the next one. Okay, it was a very easy question. Next one, yeah, also a very easy one. There is a slight correction here. It is 11 by 13 and 15 by 13. Okay, it is 11 by 13 and 15 by 13. Okay, it is a PYQ from the JEE Advanced. I think it was asked in 2020 or something like that. Okay. Okay, how are you going to do this one? A very easy one. A ready-made method for doing this one. Okay, how are you going to do this one? See, I will write it one more time. That is, it will be dx divided by x minus 11 the whole raised to 11 divided by 13 into x plus 15 the whole raised to 15 by 13. Okay, what is the sum of 11 by 13? What is 11 by 13 plus 15 by 13? 2, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is, either you can divide this in here with x plus 5 in under the power, okay, or you can divide here with x minus 11. Okay, it's up to you. In both of the cases, you will get the correct answer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to divide here with what? X plus 5, x plus 5. So it will be integral dx divided by, listen very carefully, it is a crucial step of this question. It will be x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 the whole raised to what? 11 by 13. Okay, so basically I have divided here with what? X plus 5 the whole raised to 11 by 13. So in order to balance it, I need to multiply here with what? X plus 5 the whole raised to 11 by 13. Therefore it will be, I will show you the step here, x plus 15 the whole raised to 11 by 13 into x plus 15 the whole raised to 15 by 13, which is already here. Okay, and this will be what? X plus 15 the whole square, that is integral dx divided by x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 the whole raised to 11 by 15 into x plus 15 the whole square. Okay, so how will you do it from here? It's done, the problem is done. Okay, and how are you going to do it from here? It's very easy. Just substitute this is equal to u and you will get 1 by x plus 15 the whole square as a part of the derivative. Okay, so it will be, if you differentiate, let's just put this is equal to u, that is, put x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 is equal to u. And what is the derivative of this? Its derivative will be, just subtract this from this, that is 26. That is 26 divided by, applying quotient rule, okay, divided by x plus 15 the whole square into dx is equal to du. So dx will be du by 26. Okay, dx by x plus 15, dx by x plus 15 whole square will be du by 26. So result will be 1 by 26 into, this will be u raised to 11 by 15. If you take it there, it will be u raised to minus 11 by 15 into du. Okay, that's fine, into du. So I will what is the integral of this one? U raised to minus 11 by 15. That is u raised to minus 2 by 15, right? That is, it will be, yeah, u raised to 2, 11 by, sorry, it's not, it's 13. Okay, sorry, my mistake, is 13. 11 by 13. That will be u raised to 2 by 13. Therefore, it will be 1 by 26 into u raised to 2 by 13 divided by 2 by 13 plus c. Okay, and this and this got cancelled and becomes what? 4. Okay, that is 1 by 4 into u raised to 2 by 13 plus c. The answer is 1 by 4 into u raised to 2 by 13 plus c. And you need to substitute the value of u there. Therefore, it will be 1 by 4 into u raised to 2 by 13. That is x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 the whole raised to 2 by 13. Okay, 2 by 13. Plus c. Okay, but you need to substitute the value here, therefore don't bother about c. Okay, therefore I of 37 minus I of 24 is what you need to find here. Okay, therefore this is what I of x is. Okay, no, there is no need of bothering about c. Okay, what is I of 37 minus I of 24? And I of 37 minus I of 24 will be, in both the cases 1 by 4 will be common, will be, what is I of 37? That is 37 minus 11, 26 by 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2 whole raised to 2 by 13 minus, and what about 24? 24 is 1 by 3. Yeah, 1 by 3 the whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay, but our option, the presentation was like 1 by b raised to 13, b raised to 1 by 13 minus 1 by c raised to 1 by 13. But we got it as 2 raised to 2 by 13 divided by 3 raised to 2 by 13, right? And it will be like, yeah, we need to square this. It will be, that is 1 by 4 into this 2 raised to 2 by 13 can be written as 2 square the whole raised to 1 by 13. That becomes 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 13 minus 1 by 9 raised to 1 by 13. Okay. Therefore, b is equal to what? B is equal to 4 and c is equal to what? 9. And you need to do what? That is 3 into b plus c. That is 3 into 4 plus 9. That is what? 39 is the final cut answer for this one. Okay. A very easy question. Okay. They have formulated some extra steps to get to the final answer. That's all. Okay. That's the only difference here. Okay. Very easy and doable question. Okay. Hope you got the idea here. We can move to the next one. Next question. Okay. Yes. Integral, another question from 2025. Integral x cube sin x is equal to g of x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. If 8 into g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 is equal to alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma element of integer, then you need to find the value of alpha plus beta minus gamma. Okay, how are you going to formulate that? It's very easy actually. See, first we can formulate this one, g dash of pi by 2. Okay, see, how will you get g dash of pi by 2? Just differentiate both sides. Okay, if you differentiate here, it becomes what? Just x cube sin x only. Therefore, g dash of x is equal to what? X cube sin x. Okay, let's apply the value later. Okay, together we can apply the value. Okay, then we need to formulate g of x. Okay, for that we need to integrate, and to integrate we need to apply which rule here? Highlight rule here. Okay, therefore I'm going to apply it again. Apply it. Therefore this is the first function according to highlight technique. Okay, highlight. Okay, therefore it will be x cube into minus cos x, right? Okay, minus d by dx of x cube is what? 3x square into integral of sin x is minus cos x, and this becomes what? Cos x the dx. Okay, see, what is our objective? To find g of pi by 2, right? And what is cos pi by 2? That is 0. Therefore we don't have to write it again and again. Okay, and again we need to formulate this. What is 3 into? Therefore it will be 3 into, again, x square into cos x, first function, second function. So how will you integrate this? Easy actually. It will be x square into sin x. Okay, minus d by dx of this is 2x into sin x the dx. Sin x the dx. Okay, it's not done. We need to use in the highlight technique one more time. Therefore, it will be 3 into x square sin x minus 2 into x sin x again. Okay, it will be x into minus cos x. Okay, minus of integral of d by dx of x is what? 1, and integral of sin is what? Minus cos x. Therefore it will be plus here, and integral of cos x will be what? Sin x. That's all. Okay. Okay, this is what g of x is. Okay, and then you need to find g of pi by 2, right? That is g of pi by 2 will be, this will be 1 and this will be pi square by 4. That is 2 in 3 pi square by 4. Okay, this term will vanish. This will be 1, that is minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 into 3 will also be there, that is minus 6. Okay, therefore g of pi by 2 is what? 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. Okay, then we can apply the value here, 8 into 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. Okay, and what is g dash of pi by 2? This is 1 and this is pi cube by 8, right? Plus pi cube by 8 will be like that, and if you open the bracket it will be pi cube. Okay, pi cube and 24 6, right? That is plus 6 pi square minus 48 will be there, and you need to find the value of alpha plus beta minus gamma. That is alpha plus beta is 7 minus of minus 48 becomes plus 48. That is 55 is the final cut answer for this one. Okay, a very basic question and purely based on NCERT. Okay, the thing is like we need to apply integrating the Euler technique 2 or 3 times, 3 times here. That's all. Okay, hope you got the idea regarding this one, and we can move to the next one. Okay, next question. Yes, integral f of x is equal to integral of dx divided by x raised to 1 by 4 into 1 plus x raised to 1 by 4. So how are you going to formulate this one? Easy actually. See, you have to do one thing like just put x raised to 1 by 4 is equal to t. Okay, you need to formulate this one. Okay, see, the 2 or 3 types we have to do this one. I am going to opt for the easiest one there. Okay, though the starting step will be put x raised to 1 by 4 is equal to u. Therefore, x will be what? U raised to 4. Therefore, dx will be what? 4 into u cube. Okay, now we got till this. We can substitute the values there. Therefore, it will be integral of dx is what? 4u cube. That is 4u cube divided by, and x raised to 1 by 4 is what? U into 1 plus u. Okay. And we can cancel this and take the 4 outside. It will be 4 into u square divided by u plus 1. Okay, so how are you going to take this one? It's very easy actually. Put a minus 1 and a plus 1 here. So it will be u square and divide it individually. Okay, group this and this like that into du. Okay, 4 is outside, don't forget that. So it will be u square minus 1 divided by u plus 1 plus 1 by u plus 1. It will be like that. And what is u square minus 1 divided by u plus 1? That is u minus 1 into u plus 1. U plus 1 and u plus 1 will get cancelled. And the remaining will be 4 into, it will be integral of u minus 1. Integral of u minus 1 into du. Plus this will be 1 by integral 1 by u plus 1 into du. Okay, and what about this one? 4 into u du will be u square by 2 minus u plus log mod u plus 1. Okay, and plus c. It will be like this. Okay, this is what f of x is. Okay, we need to substitute the value of u also. And what was u? U is x raised to 1 by 4, right? Okay, we need to substitute that also. Okay, moving to the next one. Yeah, that is 4 into u is x raised to 1 by 4. We have u square here, therefore it will be x raised to 1 by 2 by 2. Okay, therefore it will be x raised to 1 by 2 by 2 minus u. That is minus x raised to 1 by 4 plus log mod x raised to 1 by 4 plus 1. X raised to 1 by 4 plus 1. Okay, and plus c. This is what equal to f of x is. Okay, f of x is, okay, see, just 2 more things. F of 0 is equal to minus 6. You need to find the value of f of 1, right? F of 0 is equal to minus 6. Just please wait. You need to find the value of f of 1. So how are you going to find the value of f of 1 from here? F of 0 is equal to minus 6 means if you substitute x is equal to 0, everything will be 0, right? Therefore, c is equal to minus 6. Therefore, what is the value of c? Minus 6. Okay, so I'm substituting minus 6 here itself. Okay, the value of c is what? Minus 6. Okay, to save the step, it will be minus 6. Okay, then you need to find the value of f of 1, right? Just put x is equal to 1. What will you get? X equal to 1, you will get 4 into 1 by 2, that is 2. Minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. This will be log 2, that is plus 4 log 2 minus 6 is equal to f of 1, and it will be minus 4, that is minus 8, that is 4 log 2 minus 8, that is 4 into log 2 minus 2, that is what equal to f of 1 is. Okay, very easy question, very easy question. Therefore, what is the answer here? 4 into log 2 minus 2. Option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Hope you got the idea here. See, this is only the basic one. Okay, put x raised to 1 by 4 is equal to u, and this one. Okay, I have formulated this one like this. That is u square divided by 1 plus u can be written as u square minus 1 plus 1. Okay, these types of steps are consistently we need to perform an integration while doing integration in between the steps. Okay, it's a very basic one and doable one also. So, hope you got the idea here. We can move to the next one. Next question. Yeah. Nothing to do here. See, what is the general answer for this one? 1 by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. The answer is like, okay, I'll read the question first. Integral dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx is equal to 1 by 12 into tan inverse 3 tan x plus c. Okay, plus constant. Then the maximum value of a sin x plus b cos x. What is the maximum value of a sin x plus b cos x? Square root of a square plus b square, positive square root of a square plus b square, and its minimum value is negative of root of a square plus b square. That's all. Okay, so we need to find the value of a and b for sure. So how are you going to formulate this? So there is a ready-made formula for this one. What is the ready-made formula? That is, the result of this integral is like this: 1 by ab into tan inverse of u by b by a, that is a x by b. Okay, plus c. This is what the final cut answer of this one. Okay, it's a ready-made formula. So what is AB here? AB is equal to 12, and what is A by B? A by B is equal to 3. So what is A? A is 6 and B is what? 2. That's all. And therefore what is the maximum value of A sin x plus B cos x? That is root 40. Okay, there is nothing to do here. It's a very 30-second question, 10-second question it is. Okay, therefore root 40 is the final answer. Okay, and next one. Yes, let I of x is equal to 6 by sin square x into 1 minus cot x the whole square. And it is expressed like I of 0 is equal to 3. Then what is the value of I of pi by 12? What is the value? See, how are you going to integrate this? It's a very easy question. That is, I of x is equal to integral of 6 into cos square x the dx divided by 1 minus cot x the whole square. So what is the substitution here? How are you going to do it here? It can be performed by using integration by substitution, and after performing that, what will you get? It's a very easy question. So what you will get is like this. See, what is the derivative of 1 minus cot x? It's cos square x, right? Positive cos square x. Therefore, just substitute this is equal to u, and you will get integral 6 into du divided by what? U square. This will be u raised to minus 2, and what is the integral of that? U raised to minus 1 by minus 1. That is, it will be equal to minus 6 by u plus c. That is minus 6 by 1 minus cot x plus c. Okay, and this is what I of x is. Okay, so you know that I of 0 is equal to 3, right? What is the meaning of I of 0? Therefore, we need to substitute 0 here as well. What is cot 0? Its value is approaching towards, cot 0 is cos 0 by sin 0, value is approaching towards infinity. Therefore, this becomes what? 1 by infinity and becomes 0. Therefore, what is the value of c? C is equal to 3. We can directly write c is equal to 3. Then you need to find the value of I of pi by 12. Pi by 12 means 15 degree, right? Okay, therefore, it will be minus 6 by 1 minus, what is cot 15? Cot 15 is equal to 2 plus root 3. 1 minus 2 plus root 3, okay, plus 3. Okay, and this becomes what? 1 minus 2 minus root 3, that is minus 1 minus root 3. We can cancel the negative, it will be 6 by 1 plus root 3 plus 3. Okay, we can take the conjugate here, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 here as well. Therefore, it will be 6 root 3 okay. What is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1? That is root 3 square minus 1 square, that will be 2. Therefore, it will be 2 and 6 will get cancelled, becomes 3 into root 3 minus 1 plus 3. And what is the answer? The 3 root 3. Okay, done, understood. What is the option here? Option 3 is the correct answer for this one. Okay, hope you got the idea here, and we can move to the next one. Okay, it's a very easy question. Next one. Yeah, another one like we have discussed just before in 2025 also it was asked. As I told you, it was a PYQ from JEE Advanced, and after that it is been asking regularly for each session. Okay, this session also you can expect this one, these types of questions. Okay, so how are you going to formulate this one? If you want, we can remove the roots. Fifth root like this. That is integral dx divided by, it can be written like this. That is x minus 1 the whole raised to 4 by 5 into x plus 3 the whole raised to 6 by 5. Okay, and what is the sum of the powers? It is 2. Okay, remember. So what do you have to do here? I'm going to divide here with what? X plus 3. See, basically, I have divided the denominator with what? X plus 3 the whole raised to 4 by 5. So in order to balance it, I need to multiply here also with what? X plus 3 the whole raised to 4 by 5. So this becomes what? X plus 3 the whole square. So this will be reduced to what? X plus 3 the whole square. Okay, so it will be dx by x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 the whole raised to 4 by 5 into x plus 3 the whole square will be like that. So it will be, we can write that, therefore it will be dx divided by x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 the whole raised to 4 by 5 into x plus 3 the whole square. It will be like this. Okay, and we know that its derivative is this one. Okay, therefore what is its derivative? That is, its derivative will be d by dx of x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 will be, subtract this, you will get 4 by x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, that is 4 by x plus 3 the whole square dx is equal to what? Du. Okay, therefore du will be 1 by 4 into du by this is u raised to 4 by 5. U raised to 4 by 5. If you push it to the numerator, it will be u raised to minus 4 by 5. And after that, you can integrate it. And what is the corresponding integral? That is 1 by 4 into u raised to minus 4 by 5. The integral is u raised to 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. That is u raised to 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. That 5 will come here plus c. Okay, then we can substitute the values here. That is, it will be 5 by 4 into this will be x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 the whole raised to, what is the value? Power is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus c. Then you need to find the value of alpha plus beta plus 20ab, right? Yeah, we can formulate that. So what is alpha? Alpha is coefficient of x in the numerator, that is 1, plus beta is also 1 plus 20 into what is a? A is 5 by 4 into what is b? That is 1 by 5. Okay, cancel this, this and this and this, it becomes 5. Therefore, the net answer is what? 7. Okay, integer type question, the answer is 7. Okay, very easy one. Okay, hope you are getting the idea here. We can move to the next one. Okay, next question. Yeah, another very easy question. That is integral of 2 minus tan x divided by 3 plus tan x. How are you going to do this one? See, there is a general method of doing this one, like first you rewrite tan x is equal to sin x by cos x, and here also just do like that, and after that just cross multiply, and what will you get after that? That is 2 minus sin x by cos x divided by 3 plus sin x by cos x. Just tell me the answer by cross multiplication, and what will you get? It will be 2 cos x minus sin x divided by 3 cos x plus sin x into what? Into dx will be the. Okay, so how are you going to formulate this one? If it is like this, then how will you represent the numerator? The numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus lambda into denominator plus mu into d by dx of what? Denominator. This is how you need to present this one. Therefore, what is the numerator here? Numerator is 2 cos x minus sin x, which is equal to lambda into, what is the denominator here? 3 cos x plus sin x. Okay, plus mu into, what is the corresponding derivative of the numerator? That is mu into minus 3 sin x plus cos x. Okay, it will be like this. And comparing LHS and RHS, comparing the coefficients of corresponding LHS and RHS, corresponding terms of LHS and RHS, it will be like, what is the coefficient of a cos x here? 2. And what is the coefficient of cos x in the denominator, in the right hand side, not the denominator, right hand side? That is 3 lambda plus mu. That is 3 lambda plus mu is equal to 2, and the coefficient of sin x here, it is minus 1. It will be minus 3 mu. Okay, that is lambda minus 3 mu is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay, so what is the value of lambda and mu? If you solve this, you will get it like lambda. Yeah, lambda 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Yeah, lambda is equal to mu is equal to what? 1 by 2. You get the value of lambda and mu as what? 1 by 2. So you know how to solve this, right? Therefore, we can substitute instead of this value, we can substitute this and integrate this. Okay. Therefore, it will be lambda and mu will be 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, it will be 1 by 2 into 3 cos x plus sin x. That is 3 cos x plus sin x. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 into, it will be, I think, minus 3 sin x plus cos x. Minus 3 sin x plus cos x. Okay. Divided by 3 cos x plus sin x, and here also divided by 3 sin x plus cos x. Okay, in dx we can take it as common. Okay, dx. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip some steps. Okay, so what you have to do is you can take 1 by 2 outside and you will get, it will be 1 by 2 into what is 3 cos x sin x divided by 3 cos x sin x, that is 1, and what is integral 1 dx, that is x. Therefore, it will be 1 by 2 into x plus the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. Therefore, what is the integral of this one? That is log mod the denominator. Log mod of 3 cos x plus sin x. Okay, and we need to compare here which is equal to the expression was like 1 by 2 into alpha x plus log mod beta sin x plus gamma cos x, right? Beta sin x plus gamma cos x. See, we don't have to bother about that. Okay. Therefore, if you compare this, you will get alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1, and gamma is equal to what? 3. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1, and gamma is equal to 3. And what you need to find here? You need to find alpha plus gamma by beta. And what is alpha plus gamma by beta? That is 4 is the final cut answer for this one. Okay, a very easy question and doable also. That is 4 plus gamma plus beta. That is, which option is that? Fourth one. Okay. Okay, hopefully that's done. We can move to the next one. Yeah, very direct one. Integral x raised to 8 minus x square divided by x raised to 12 plus 3x raised to 6 plus 1 into tan inverse of 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube the dx. Okay, how are you going to formulate this? Don't worry about what is presented here. It's a very easy question. How are you going to formulate this one? It's easy actually. So let's do one thing. Let's substitute this is equal to u. Okay, and the popular question arrives. Most students will anchor like this. How did you know that we should substitute tan inverse of x cube plus 1 by x square here at this instant and for this question? How will you know that? See, to know these types of steps, that is, know what to do next, you need to do a lot more questions by yourself. Okay, that's why I'm telling you at the end of each video, the key is you need to do the question by yourself. Okay, try to do the question by yourself. See, as much time as it's taking, it will be worth it. Okay, as this is a chapter where most students find it difficult to process this chapter, even for board examination also. The fact is like this, to master integration, you need to do it by yourself. Okay, that is the only way you can master this chapter. Okay, and after this video, hopefully this video helps for you, and after this video, just go through this questions one more time. Okay, by yourself. It will help you a lot. Okay, so let's do this. Just substitute tan inverse of x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to u. I'm substituting this is equal to u directly. So what is the derivative? Derivative will be 1 by 1 plus x cube plus 1 by x cube the whole square. Okay, and what is the derivative of this one? That is 3x square minus 3 by x cube. Okay, x raised to, that will be x raised to 4, right? By x raised to 4 into what? Into dx. Okay, which is equal to du. Okay, let's expand this and formulate everything. You will get the numerator will be x raised to 6, x raised to 4 into, that is 3 into x raised to 6 minus 1 divided by what? X raised to 4 into, this will be 1 plus x raised to 6 plus 1 by x raised to 6 plus 2. Okay, it will be like this. Into dx is equal to du. Okay, so what happens here is we can see this will be x raised 6 plus 1 by x raised 6 plus 3. Okay, then multiply everywhere with what? X raised to 6 in the numerator. So it will be, after cross multiplication, the numerator it will be 3 into x raised to 6 minus 1 divided by x raised to 12 plus 3x raised to 6, okay, plus 1 divided by x raised to 6 into x raised to 4 into dx is equal to du. Okay, and cancel this and this. There will be x square here which can be multiplied here. It will be, and I am taking this 3 to the right hand side. Okay, the problem is done. Therefore, it will be x raised to 8 minus x square, x raised to 8 minus x square divided by x raised to 12 plus 3x raised to 6 plus 1 into dx is equal to du by 3. Into dx is equal to du by 3. So it's done. The problem is done. Okay. So this is equal to what? Into dx is equal to what? Du by 3. So basically this is equal to what? This has reduced to what? It will be du by 3. That is 1 by 3 du by u. And what is the answer for that? Log mod u. 1 by 3 log mod u. Okay, which we need to, okay, that is 1 by 3 log mod u, that is equal to 1 by 3 log u, and that can be written as what? Okay, is it okay if I wrote here? Okay, that will be plus c. Okay, that can be written as log u raised to 1 by 3 plus c. There is no need of moving to the next slide. What was u? Tan inverse of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Therefore, it will be log tan inverse of x cube plus 1 by x cube the whole raised to 1 by 3 plus c. That is this one. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, very direct one, very direct question, but most of students will have a tendency to skip this one because of the presentation of this one. Okay, it's a very big one actually, but if you solve it, there is nothing here. Okay, that was it. And let's move to the next question. Okay, next one. Yes, okay, x element of open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay, integral of tan, okay, therefore y of x is tan inverse, that is y of x is equal to integral cosec x plus sin x divided by cosec x sec x plus tan x into sin square x dx, and limit x tends to pi by 2 minus y of x is equal to 0, okay, and then y of pi by 4 is equal to, how are you going to formulate that? Yeah, let's apply some trigonometric techniques here. Let's to formulate this. Okay, let's try. Therefore, it will be integral of what is cosec x? That is 1 by sin x. Okay, therefore, this can be written as sin x plus 1 by sin x. That is sin x plus 1 by sin x into dx. Okay, that is what the numerator is. And what about the denominator? Denominator is like 1, I'm writing it here, okay, we can write it here, 1 by sin x into cos x plus, this will be sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x into sin square x the dx, sin square x, okay, that's all. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is cos x is common here and here as well. So 1 by cos x, that is cos x will come here. Okay, so we can rewrite it. It will be integral of sin x plus 1 by sin x into what? Into cos x divided by 1 by sin x plus sin cube x. Okay, into dx. So how are you going to formulate this one? How are you going to formulate this one? It's very easy actually. So it will be like, just put sin x is equal to u, its derivative is here. Okay, therefore it will be u plus 1 by u divided by 1 by u plus u cube. Okay, next slide. That is I am putting, okay, next question, sorry. Put sin x is equal to u. Okay, therefore cos x dx is equal to du. Therefore it will be, yeah, it will be u plus 1 by u divided by 1 by u plus u cube, that is u cube plus 1 by u, okay, into what? Du. So how are you going to formulate this one? It's a very easy one actually. How are you going to formulate this? Like take u outside and what will you get? It will be u outside and divide it here. It will be u by u is 1 and 1 by u is what? 1 by u square and divided by it will be u square plus 1 by u square. It will be like this. Okay, so it's a very popular integral. And how are you going to formulate this one? So let me ask you one question. The derivative of which function is 1 plus 1 by u square? You need to formulate that first. It's easy. Derivative of u minus 1 by u is what? 1 plus 1 by u square. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to form u minus 1 by u here. So how are you going to formulate like that? It is easy actually. That is, it will be 1 plus 1 by u square into du divided by this one. How are you going to formulate that one? That is u minus 1 by u the whole square plus root 2 square, right? What is u minus 1 by u the whole square? There will be a plus 2 there, that will be balanced, okay? Minus 2 there, that will be balanced here. So the derivative of this one is here, further substitution. Okay, therefore, put this is equal to what? T. And its derivative will be here. Therefore, it will be, that is, equal to T. Therefore, 1 plus 1 by u square into du will be equal to what? Dt. Substitute that here and you will get integral dt divided by t square plus root 2 square. And what is the integral of that direct integral? It will be 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of t by root 2 plus c. Okay. And what is the value of t? U minus 1 by u. And what was the value of u? Sin x. We can directly substitute it here. You will get 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of sin x minus 1 by sin x divided by root 2 plus c. Okay. And what is the next thing here? Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus y of x is equal to 0. Okay, that is, yeah. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus y of x is equal to what? Y of x is equal to 0. Okay, therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus this is equal to 0. Okay, therefore, okay, I am applying it here. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus this value should be equal to what? This value should be equal to 0. Okay. If you apply pi by 2 minus here, what is the meaning of pi by 2 minus? Values which is slightly less than pi by 2 but which is very close to pi by 2. That means it lies in which quadrant? Quadrant number 1. Therefore, it will be 1 here and 1 here as well. And what is the value? Tan inverse of 1 minus 1, tan inverse of 0 and it is what? 0. Therefore, 0 plus c is equal to what? 0. Therefore, c is equal to what? 0. Therefore, y of x can be written like this. Y of x is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of sin x minus 1 by sin x divided by what? Root 2. Okay, this is what y of x is. And you need to find the value of y of pi by 4. Just put x is equal to pi by 4 here. What will you get? If you put x is equal to pi by 4 here, it will be what? 1 by root 2 and here it will be root 2. Okay, I think, okay, we can formulate it here. That is 1 by root 2 minus root 2. That will be minus 1 by root 2. Okay. It will be tan inverse of minus 1 by root 2. By root 2 will be there. Okay. There will be another root 2 here. That will be minus 1 by 2. So it will be tan inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay. And okay, next slide it will be. That is 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of minus 1 by 2. Yeah. Okay, next question. Yes. Integral of sin raised to 3 by 2 plus cos raised to 3 by 2 x. Okay. Dx divided by integral of sin cube x into cos cube x into sin x minus theta, which is equal to a into root of cos theta tan x minus sin theta plus b into root of cos theta minus sin theta into cot x. Okay. So how are you going to formulate this one? It's a slightly typical one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this. Okay, let's see what happens. It will be integral of sin raised to 3 by 2x plus cos raised to 3 by 2x divided by, okay, this will be square root of sin cube x into cos cube x into sin x cos theta minus cos x sin theta will be there. Okay. So, how are you going to formulate this one? See, what happens is in the option, if you look at like this, it will be root of cos theta tan x minus sin theta is there, right? Therefore, what we have here? root of sin x cos theta minus cos x sin theta. But it is like cos theta tan x minus sin theta. This sin theta is alone there. Okay, so what have they done here? They took cos x outside. That is root cos x outside from here. Okay, so it will be like integral of sin raised to 3 by 2x plus cos raised to 3 by 2x divided by, it will be root of sin cube x into, this is what, cos raised to 4x into it will be, if you take cos x outside, it will be tan x into cos theta minus what, sin theta. Okay, so I am going to do two things here. See, what is square root of cos raised to 4x? That is cos square x. And what is 1 by cos square x? 6 square x. There will be a 6 square x here. Okay, and the next thing is, okay, we can perform it in the next step. Therefore, it will be sin raised to 3 by 2x plus cos raised to 3 by 2x into 6 square x, the dx, divided by, this will be sin raised to square root of sin cube x into, this will be tan x into cos theta minus sin theta, that is tan x into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so what should be our next step after this? So what we have to do is, as there is 6 square x here, it will be helpful if you introduce tan x towards here. So what I am going to do is, I am going to divide numerator and denominator with what? Cos raised to 3 by 2. Okay, so it will be tan raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 and it will be square root of sin cube by cos cube. It is actually sin raised to 3 by 2x here. Okay, if you apply square root, if you divide that with cos raised to 3 by 2, here also it will become what? Tan raised to 3 by 2. Okay, and okay, let's do that. It will be tan raised to 3 by 2x plus 1, okay, divided by tan raised to 3 by 2x, okay, into square root of tan x cos theta minus sin theta, that is tan x cos theta minus sin theta into 6 square x into dx. Okay, slightly done the formulation. Now we need to formulate it further. Okay, the thing is like, as there is tan and sec square here, we can put tan x is equal to u. Therefore, it becomes integral u raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by u raised to 3 by 2 into du will be here. It will be square root of u cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, it's done almost. Okay, how will you integrate it from here? It's easy actually, just split this. Therefore, it will be u raised to 3 by 2 by, this will be u raised to 3 by 2 divided by u raised to 3 by 2 into square root of u cos theta minus sin theta into du plus integral du divided by u raised to 3 by 2 into square root of u cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, I think we need to use one more slide. They cancel this and this, and what will you do it from here? What is the derivative of u cos theta minus sin theta? That is cos theta only. That we don't have to provide much concern to that, because cos theta is a constant with respect to u. Okay. Therefore, what I'm going to do is, I'm taking it as part 1 and this is part 2. Okay. Part 1 I'm integrating now. Therefore, just substitute u cos theta minus sin theta is equal to t. Okay. That is put u cos theta minus sin theta is equal to t. If you differentiate it, you will get cos theta du is equal to dt. Therefore, du is equal to dt by cos theta. Therefore, it will be 1 by cos theta into dt divided by root t. Okay, and what is dt divided by root t? That is t raised to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, it will be 1 by cos theta into t raised to minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Therefore, 2 here. That is into root t will be there. And what is the value of t? U cos theta minus sin theta will be there. Okay, and part 1 is done. The value of u, we can substitute that later. U is tan x. Okay, and how are you going to do this one? The second part. How will you formulate that? You need to move to the next slide. Okay, how will you formulate the second part? Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's take u from here and it becomes what? Root u raised to 3 by 8 into root 2, and that will be u square. Okay, and therefore it becomes integral du into u square into square root of cos theta minus sin theta by u. Cos theta minus sin theta by u. Okay, and what is the, how will you integrate this one? It's very easy actually. What is the derivative of what's inside here? That is sin theta by u square. Okay, if you differentiate this one, cos theta and sin theta are constant with respect to u. Okay, so if you differentiate that, you will get sin theta by u square. 1 by u square is here. Okay, so we can go with that. Therefore, just put cos theta minus sin theta by u is equal to what? R. If you differentiate, you will get sin theta by u square into du is equal to what? Dr. So du is equal to dr by du by u square is equal to dr by sin theta. Therefore, it becomes 1 by sin theta into dr by root r. Okay, exactly like this one. Therefore, the answer will be 2 by sin theta into dr by root r. That will be root of cos theta minus sin theta by u. Okay, that's done. Okay, the both parts are done. We can substitute it there in the next slide. So it will be 2 by cos theta into 2 by cos theta into root of u cos theta. And what is u? Tan x, right? Tan x cos theta minus sin theta. Root of tan x cos theta minus sin theta. Plus 2 by sin theta into plus 2 by sin theta into root of cos theta minus sin theta by u. What is u? Tan x, and what is 1 by u? Cot x. Therefore, it will be cos theta minus cot x sin theta. It will be root of cos theta minus cot x sin theta. Okay, this is the final result of that one. Okay. Let's check if it matches or not. And 2 by, this is A and this is B, I think. And it will be root of tan x cos theta minus sin theta. Let's check if that root of tan x cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, that's satisfied. And this is root of cos theta minus sin theta cot x. Root of cos theta minus sin theta cot x. Both of them are satisfied. Therefore, this is equal to what? A, and this is equal to what? B. Okay, next formulation. You need to find AB. Now, what is AB here? AB is equal to 4 by sin theta cos theta. Put a 2 here and here. Therefore, it will be 8 by sin 2 theta. That is, the result is what? 8 cosec 2 theta is the final cut answer. A very, very, very typical and formulating type question, but very, very good example for practicing. Okay. Yeah, doable one. So let's go through this question one more time by yourself. Try to do it by yourself. Okay. See, this is not the exclusive method of doing this. Okay, there will be so many methods. Okay, you can try that also. Okay, just try it by yourself. You might get a method. Okay, new method. So yeah, about this one, it's over. The next one, next question. Okay, our very next question from 2025. Okay. And the question is like integral of 2x square plus 5x plus 9 divided by root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, the corresponding result is given like this. You need to find alpha and beta from that, and you need to sum alpha plus 2 beta. Okay, let's try and sort it out. So if it is like this, this can be the 2x square plus 5x plus 9 divided by root x square plus x plus 1. That can be rewritten like 2x square plus 5x plus 9 is equal to a into, that is x square plus x plus 1, sorry, x square plus x plus 1 plus b into, this will be derivative of that, into 2x plus 1 plus c. This can be written like this. And if you compare the coefficients, you will get a is equal to 2, and it will be a plus 2b is equal to 5. Therefore, b will be 3 by 2. And again, a plus b plus c will be equal to 9. Therefore, 3 by 2 plus 4, that is 7 by 2, that is 11 by 2. C will be equal to what? 11 by 2. Okay, that is a, b and c. Therefore, respectively, we can represent or rewrite the numerator like this. Okay, I am substituting the value of this and in dividing this separately with root x square plus x plus 1 in the next slide. Okay, so it will be integral of 2x square plus, this will be, what was that? A is 2 into x square plus x plus 1 divided by root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. plus b was 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, it was dx here, okay, 11 by 2 into integral dx divided by x square plus x plus 1. Big one. And let's formulate each one of them. Okay, therefore this will be, that is 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, this will be root of x square plus x plus 1, which can be written like x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square, completing the square method, okay, into dx plus 3 by 2 into, this will be du divided by root u. Okay, its derivative is here, therefore it will be du divided by root u plus 11 by 2 into, same thing can be applied here as well, this root, okay, forgot that root here, 11 into integral dx divided by root of, it will be x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, it is like this. Therefore, 3 integrals. Okay, so how will you integrate this one? A standard formula for that, it will be a big one. Okay, it will be 2 into, this will be x plus 1 by 2 into root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, which is x square plus x plus 1. Okay, sorry, it's not x plus 1 by 2, it will be like this, x plus 1 by 2 by 2, okay, x plus 1 by 2 by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1, plus this will be a square by 2, that is 3 by 8 into log mod x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, hope you are getting the idea here. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's done. And plus 3 by 2 into, what is the integral of this one? U raised to minus 1 by 2, that will be root u, that is root of x square plus x plus 1 divided by, what is that? Divided by 1 by 2, this and this will cancel. Okay, that is 3 into will be like this. And plus, it's not done, plus it will be 11 by 2 into, what is the integral of this one? Log mod x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, that's it. The integral is done. Okay, very big one. And okay, we can open the bracket here and you will get, and we can do it in the next slide. Therefore, it will be 2, this and this will get cancelled. This becomes 3 by 4. That is x plus 1 by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 into log of 3 by 4 and log of, yeah, it will be x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, next one, yeah, plus 3 into root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 into root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 11 by 2 into log mod x plus 1 by 2 plus root of, that I can write here, root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, yeah. So we can sum up the like terms here. It will be, this can be further written like x into root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, this is 1 by 2 and this is 3 here, which will be 7 by 2. That is 7 by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, yes, this will be, yeah, 3 by 4, yeah, like terms, right? 3 by 4 and 11 by 2, that is 6 by 4, sorry, 22 by 4, 25 by 4, that is plus 25 by 4 into log mod x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So, I think this will be alpha, comparing it to the parent, I think this will be beta. Okay, and what we need to find here? Yeah, this will be alpha and this will be beta. Okay, x plus 1 by 2, there is a plus here, okay, x plus 1 by 2 plus. So, we need to find alpha plus 2 beta, right? Yeah, we need to find alpha plus 2 beta. Therefore, 7 by 2 plus, this will be 25 by 2. 2 beta is 25 by 2. Therefore, 32 by 2, which is equal to what? 16. Okay, and then that's it. Yeah, that's the final answer for this one. Slightly lengthy one. Okay, and the formulation is also very, very lengthy. Okay, but doable question. So that's it. We have discussed all the questions from indefinite integrals from from 2024 and 2025. The questions are comparatively less compared to definite integration, which will be discussed in the upcoming sessions. Okay, lot more questions will be from the definite integrations. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you for listening. And just one more thing, just do these questions one more time by yourself without relying on the solutions. Okay, as always. Okay, and thank you for listening and have a nice day.